Hey everyone, big news on the GST front from the government. The revised GST rates were announced today, and we, the consumers in India, are hugely going to benefit from it. But let's break it down quickly for you. First of all, the biggest of them all, life and term insurance, GSTs have been reduced to zero, which means that now your premiums are going to become cheaper. Most of us don't have enough insurance, and this should be your cue to go and get the right insurance for yourself. For car buyers, the GST rates have been reduced from 28% to 18%, 10% lesser. Mid and large cars are going to be cheaper. Time to plan buying a car. Of course, food gets cheaper. Daily essentials like butter, ghee, oil, which were being taxed at 12%, will now be taxed only at 5%. And the best part, GST on life-saving drugs has been reduced to zero. And most medicines have now come down from 12% GST to 5%. Planning a vacation, whether it's booking a room or your travel, GST there has also come down from 12% to 5%. Big news on the education front too. A lot of the necessary equipments or tools required for your children's education has been reduced to zero. So whether it's health, shopping, travel, food, insurance, or education, these GST revisions are completely in your favor. The idea, of course, behind all of this is to enhance consumption for the large masses of India. So enjoy these tax cuts. Stay tuned to Lakshmi for further such updates.